In the box. 3-foot double nylon braided Lightning to USB cable for charging devices, dark gray. Universal compatibility. Works with iPhone SE, 2nd Gen, 11, X, XS Max, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8 7ths Plus, 7 6ths S Plus, 6s, 6 Plus, 6, 5s, 5C, 5, iPad Pro, iPad Air, Air 2, iPad Mini, Mini 2, Mini 4, iPad 4th Gen, iPod Touch 5th Gen, iPod Nano 7th Gen and Beats Pill Plus. MFi-certified. Uses Apple's original C89 smart chip to recognize and connect to Apple devices immediately. MFi-certified cables provide a safe and stable charging solution. Fast charging. Wide diameter wires and reduced cord resistance maximize charging speed, supports up to 2.4 amps charging current. Durable design. Added layer of protection to Lightning and USB ends for improved durability and to reduce fraying. Tested to bend 90 degrees 20,000 times. Secure fit. Sturdy unibody connectors resist damage while ensuring a secure fit with every insertion. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect every time. I have previously purchased Amazon Basics items as well as chargers and they are the best. Super durable and the quality is great. I never have an issue with iPhone compatibility and they last for years.